Good day, everybody. My name is Richard Damilola, aka Mr. RMC, and today I will be taking you guys on Canva tutorial. So this will be a long tutorial. So the other day, some people are complaining that they don't have a laptop that they can work with. So that's the reason why I am doing this video for those that are interested in graphic designing. I want to learn graphic designing and doesn't have a laptop. So I don't want that to be a challenge to you. You can design graphics with your phone. So today I am doing a comprehensive tutorial on Canva. So today we are going to go into the interface of Canva. So on Canva, on your phone, you like use an application. So you can get it on Google Play Store or App Store. So let's go there, search for Canva. So you're going to see the Canva. It has this logo. So make sure you're downloading the right application from your Play Store or App Store. So after you've done that, make sure you register. It's very, very important for you to register. And the other ways you can use Canva is through your browser. So if you have Opera Mini, Google Chrome, any browser at all, but I would recommend you to use Google Chrome. So if you're on your Google Chrome, just go to your search bar and type canva.com. It's going to bring you to this page. And again, I want you guys to know that Canva has a pro version as well. So there's a free version and there's a pro version. So that pro version will give you access to everything, all the elements you need on Canva. But while the free version will be limited to some elements, some designs, some templates. So that is the difference between the two. So you can just go through it. If you want to subscribe for the pro version, you can make your subscription. So make sure you register with a valid email address and put your password. So an email might be sent to your mail. So make sure you just click it and verify. If you're on the dashboard with me, so we are going to see your own project, templates, brands, app, and so on. So on your application as well, though it might vary, but I'm very sure you're going to see all these icons, all these menu icons on your phone as well. So first of all, we are going to see your home. Under your home, so we have Instagram, post, square, doc, whiteboard, presentation, social media, and so on, custom sites, and so on. So on your project, let me click on your project. Let me click on project. So projects, so you are going to see all the projects you've worked on so far. So these are the projects that I have worked on. So these are the designs I have worked on so far on Canva. You understand? So all the image you uploaded, anything you do on Canva is going to save here. So you can even access it after some years. So moving on, we have templates. So moving on, we have templates. So you are going to see a variety of templates that you can work on. It's a ready-made template. So all you just need is to click on it and edit whatever you want to edit. There are a lot of designs, a lot of designs, upcoming events. So all these are logos. You can just come here and moving night posters, invoice, A5 documents. So there are a lot of templates you can pick from. Flyers. So these are flyers. So and so on. YouTube banners. These are YouTube banners. So there are thousands of templates you can work on Canva. So moving on, here we have brand. Me personally, I have not made use of this brand before because it is a pro version. So anywhere you see this crown icon, this yellow crown icon, it means that it is a Canva Pro. So it's until you subscribe for it There's a monthly subscription for it, and there's a yearly subscription for it. So we have apps. Let's click on app and see what we have here. So Canva for Google Workshop. So here we have Canva being incorporated with Gmail, with Google, with Excel sheets, Word file, and so on. So that is what it is. But you don't need anything here for now. So let's come back to our home. So I've come back to my home. So under my home, so we have our personal account. This is where we have our account. So your account will be here, your Gmail will be here, and so on. So if you want to search for any content or you want to search for any template, but before we do that, so if you want to work on the designs now, you need to pick the dimension of the design you want, the size of the design you want. So here we have square, Instagram square post. So it means that if I click on this, any template I'm going to be seeing to be for Instagram posts. So let me click it and listen. See. So can you see this white Canva? So this is the size of the designs I will be doing. So examples of templates relating to this size are this Pentecost worship. So can you see all these are Instagram size? So Instagram size, all these are Instagram size. So do you get it? So if I come back here, let me go back. So this document. So document, maybe if I want to type, let's click on it and let's see. So can you see? If I want to type maybe a word, or if I want to type a letter, so just type it here, type it, enter, type it, enter, type it, enter. So you can usually use Canva to type any letter. You understand? So if you type it, you can export and you can print it any way you want to print it. So this is another dimension. So this size is called A4. I believe you all know what A4 is. A4 paper. So here we also have another template: whiteboard, presentation, social media. Let's click on social media. So if you click on social media, so it's going to say we create the designs. So what social media post do you want to create? Is there an Instagram post, Facebook post, Instagram story? So all this has is his own size. I hope you are getting this. So if I click on Instagram story for an example, unlike Instagram posts, we have a square size. All the four sizes are equal. But on story, let's see how story will be. I want to design for an Instagram story. So can you see this is the size? Can you see on my white Canva, this is the size of an Instagram story? Can you see it? And this is a design template. This is a template for an Instagram story. So I believe you can see it. This is a template. This is a template. This is a template for an Instagram story. So if I click on this now, so can you see? So if I want to edit this, I can start editing it. That's going to suit what I want to use it for. But let me go back. So I'm just telling you this for you to know that there are a lot of dimensions for designs you want to do, for various designs you want to do. So if I want to do a designs for e-flyer, so there are some things you also need to know. Make sure you get your size right, the dimension of what you want to do, you want to design. Make sure you get it right before you even commence at all. If you don't really have knowledge about sizes, and go online and say, okay, what is the size for a poster? What is the size for an e-flyer? What is the size for a YouTube thumbnail? So do you understand what I'm saying? So make sure you start very well. So there's one thing also I want to do. So this is custom size. Unlike this one, if I click on this, it's going to give me the size. But custom size means that let's click on it. So it means that you are the one that will decide your width and your height. Are you getting me? You're the one that will decide your width and your height. So like example, if I want the width of my design, so what is width? Width is is it horizontal or vertical? Okay, width is my vertical. So width. So if I say my width should be maybe 1000, while my height should be 15. So which unit do I want? Do I want in this pixel? Do I want pixel or inches or millimeter or centimeter? So I want a pixel. So this is the size I'm deciding. Are you getting it? So if I click on it, bam, it's for me. So this is the size I just typed now. So this size from here, from this point to this point, is 1000 pixel, while from here to here is 15 pixel. I hope we all get this. So let me go back. Let's create another custom size. So right now I want to create an Instagram post size. So we all know that Instagram post, it means that all the 4 size must be equal. So if I want to do a 4 size equal, I'll just come here and put 1000. So if I put 1000, so my width is 1000, my height is 1000. So it means that all the size will be equal. Let's click on it, create. Let's see. This is 1000, this is 1000, this is 1000, this is 1000. So I hope we all understand this. So now moving forward, now that we've decided our dimension, the dimension of our design. So now let's now go into the designing elements. So here we have designs. So here you can pick a design that is relating to the dimension you've created. So if I click this now, it's going to give me the same dimension of this design that I did. If I click on it now, bam, can you see? It has already give me a template I can work on. If I go back, so let's say I don't want this design. So you can come here, or you can press Ctrl Z on your laptop, or on your phone, just come here. There's an arrow. Just try and locate this arrow. So on the arrow, you're going to see Ctrl and Z. Just come back. So can we see that we are back to our dimension? So on the design as well, so there are a lot of things. There are a lot of design templates you can check. A lot of design templates you want, but right now we want to design this thing from scratch. So moving on, I'm going to come to elements. So we are in elements. So what are the things in elements? So here we have recently used element that I've used. So shape. So if you click on shape, you can come here and click see more. You're going to see more, see everything. So these are the shape we have. We have line, dotted line, arrow, you understand? So shape, we have square that has curved edge, circle, triangle, upside down triangle, and trapezium, and so on, star. So you are going to make use of this in your designs. As time goes on, you are going to make use of all this shape in your designs. So let's move from shape. So here we have graphics. So if I click on see more, let's see what we have in graphics. So graphics, so we have magic recommendation. So if I click on see more, we are going to see a lot. Bed, maybe if you are designing and you need a bed, I just add this. For example, if I click on this bed now, can you see the bed is already showing? If I want to increase the size, can you see I'm increasing the size already? So not all that things. So let me pick another thing. So this thing is like Okay, let's color designing Canva that we created. So once color it, just come to this color here. So you can use the background color, click on it. So you can select any color from here. Select any color from here. Let me select this blue, light blue. Can you see? If I click this, I can click any color you want. And if you are not happy with this color you are picking, you can come here, click on add a new color. So from your color hue, this is called color hue. Just run through everything. Pick any color, come here, pick any shade of color you want to pick. You understand? So come here, make sure you explore. Pick any color you want to pick. So every color you are picking has a code. This is the code 45. For this color now is 45B7EF. This is the color code for this 45B7EF. So that's the color code for that. So moving on, so we are still under elements. So here we also have cloud. You can pick. Let me try this cloud. Will this cloud work? No, I don't like this cloud. So anything you don't like, you can click on it and delete. This is my delete icon. Delete it, and you can press delete on your laptop if you are working from your laptop. So another thing, you can also, let me see if I use it. Okay, these are cloud. So you can decide to add a cloud to your image. Can you see? So can you see? I'm already adding the cloud. If you want to reduce the opacity. So what does opacity means? You want to fade it. Can you see? So it's like a transparency. I want to reduce the transparency. Can you see? So it's now looking like a real cloud in the sky. Can you see? So now I have some elements some bed elements. So let me move this up. So all this, I'm just using this as an example. We are still going to go into the designing proper. So right now it's looking like a realistic sky, and it's not a realistic sky. It's the sky we created. This is the sky we created. Why the bed can, so the sky can move up. The bed. So I want to bring the bed to front. I can bring the bed to front, and I can also color the bed. I can come here and maybe I want to use white color for my bed. Can you see? I've colored my bed. So moving on, I don't want to waste much of our time with this. So let's go back. So there are other things I also want you guys. So we are still under graphics. Let's move on graphics now. So we are still under elements. So here we have stickers. So you can just go through it. Any stickers you want to make use of. Any stickers you want to make use of, you can. So still loading. So as you can see, most of the stickers we have here, they are pro elements. So I can't make use of it. Apart from this book, I think I can make use of this book. So I click on this book. It's going to show here. Why is my book not showing? So can you see? As the book is animating. So this is the video element. So I don't need that now. Let me delete. So we can just go through it. Go through everything. And so from sticker, let's move on. So here we have photos. Maybe you are looking for photos you want to use to elevate your design. Maybe you need the pictures of people talking. So So like example, you can also search. So let me just search for maybe lion. Can you see? These are my lions. So all these are pro. I can't make use of it. So like this lion, I can make use of this lion. If I click on it, pen. So I have my lion here. I have my lion here. I can paste my lion in the middle. So another thing. Are we still under graphics? No, we're not under graphics again. So we have videos, audios, charts. You can make use of charts. Frame. This is very, very important. We need, so as time goes on, you will be needing frame. So what does frame do? Frame means if you want to import, you want to infuse a picture into a frame. Like example, well, let me pick this square frame. So I'll pick this frame. Let me reduce the size. If you want to reduce any size, click on the edges here, or you can come here. Can you see? Or if you want to reduce the size and you want it to be equal, just come here at these edges. You can come at this at the top, at the edges. But don't use this size. If you are using this size, that means you are distorting the image. That's the perfect word for it. So now I want to infuse a picture into this frame. So I'm going to come to upload. Come to upload. So if you have images on here that you want to infuse, you can just put it. But let me just show you. So on your phone, if you click on upload file, is going to take you to your phone gallery or phone folder. So make sure you select any image you want to select. So for me, I'll be selecting this AI generated image. So if I click on it, so can you see it's loading? So it's going to load. It's going to load. It's loading. Just wait. And we have it. If you click on it, so if I want to put this inside the frame, I just need to click on the image, move it around, and move it inside. So can you see? Bam. The image is there already. Can you see the image is in the frame already? So let's create another frame. So right now I'll be using a circled frame. So I'm using a circle frame. So if I click on it, come to your upload. So now I'm not uploading a file. I want to use a pictures I've uploaded before. So let me use an image that has a background. So let me use an image that has okay, let me use this image. So right now I'm using this man here. So I'm using this man. I can reduce the size of my man here from the bottom. So I can reduce it from the bottom. So if I want to infuse, so make sure you frame your picture very well. Move it and move it in. So can you see? So can you see the image? The image now has a round circle. So that is the work of frame. So you'll be needing it a lot if you are designing your maybe a flyer. So you'll be needing it a lot. So let me delete this. I don't need this for now. And again, if you want to detach, so you want to detach, like example, I want to detach this image from this circle. Just click on it and right click. You're going to see detach image. Click on it. The image is going to remove from the circle. So I hope you get that. So click on it, delete again. So I don't need any of this now. So we're still under elements. What other things do we think we need? What other things? So as time goes on, I'm going to teach you a lot about our elements. So now let's move to text. So on our text, we have you'll be saying search font. If you have a font you want to use. So text means your typography, what you want to type. We have three text style. One is heading. So if I click on heading, if I type, so let me type like alpha. Let me use capital letter. Alpha and omega. So if I come to subheading, I just want to show you the three style of text we have on Canva. The second one is subheading. So subheading can be so the third one that we have is body. So body can be so right now we have a three text style. So the first one is heading. So that heading is basically used when if you are creating a catchy design. So if you are designing like a church program, so you can have if you Redeemed Christian Church of God present three powerful programs, tag Alpha and Omega. So that Alpha and Omega is your heading. So it is a text that drives the attention of people. You understand? So if you are designing a flyer or you are designing a poster, so maybe like example, the title of the movie now. So this text style is what you use. So it is the one that will be bold enough for people to see. You understand? So the subheading can be like we have the Alpha and Omega. Subheading can be maybe the King of Kings. The King of Kings. So why body? Body means a text that is readable, like a sentence. So if you want to put any sentence, maybe come and be blessed. Jesus is waiting for you. So those are what you use as body. So moving forward, we're going to make use of all these designing elements. So, and again, you can change your font. So what's the meaning of font? Font means you want to change the text style of your editing. So currently, this Alpha and Omega text style is Canva Fan. So if I want to change it, click on Canva Fan. So come down here and pick the font you want to use. So if I'm the one, I'll pick. Let me pick this Alpha and Omega. Can you see? I've changed the font. So if you want to change the color, come to this A. You're going to see text color. Click on it. If you want to change the color to, let me use a different color now. Let me use this. So I take this case. So you want to change the font size. Maybe the Alpha and Omega is too small. You want to make it bigger. You can click on this plus. So can you see it's getting bigger? Or you can click on this number and type whatever number you want to type. Maybe 15. I'm reducing it. That's 15. I want to increase it. 75. Let me use 75. Then. So that is text. So that is font size. So and again, there are a lot of we want to make the text transparent. Come here. So can you see the text is transparent? So that is that about that. I want to change this font as well. King of Kings. I can come here. So I want to change the fonts. Come here and check the fonts I'll be using. Let me just use Poppins. So I'm using Poppins for that. So there are a lot of fonts you can make use of. So moving forward, let's move to another thing. So we also have some dynamic fonts you can make use of. Just make sure you go through it. So in our next tutorial, we'll be designing, maybe we'll be designing a logo, we're designing a flyer, and we'll be designing maybe a poster. So what other things do I think you guys need? So if you want to upload anything, you can come here. Like I said earlier on, you want to upload, come here and upload file. So that is that. So if I want to put a logo at the edge here, I think I have a logo here already. I think I have a logo. Let me try and see if I can locate a logo. So there's a logo here. If I click on it, and you see Redeemed Christian Church of God. Already now, this is looking like a design. You can see this is looking like a design already. Well, it is not a design. I'm just playing around with it. Let me reduce my logo a bit. So as you can see, we have our first design, sample design. So that is that about that. If you want to, if you want to export the design we've done, just come here, share, click on share. You click on share, it's going to ask you as only access this, only do that. So just come here, download, click on download. You click on download. You can use PNG or JPEG, but I love you guys to use PNG because PNG has a good quality than JPEG. So click on PNG and click on download. So if you click on download, we are going to see our design. So thank you so much for your time. See you guys in our next class, where I will be teaching you guys on how to design a logo. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video, like, and turn the notification bell. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye.